Hi, this is Matt with Oxford Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to be talking to you about manual physical therapy and how it can help injuries and conditions. So manual therapy is really just involves the physical therapist using their hands. As you can see, this is just a model of the foot. You can see all the complicated joints. So manual therapy involves using our hands to get in and work with one small joint and do some mobilization. Many studies have found with manual therapy, if you do it only by itself, it's not as beneficial as combining it with exercise and other treatments we do as well. So we advocate combining manual therapy and therapeutic exercise and other treatments with physical therapy as well. A big area that we do hands-on in manual therapy is the spine. You can see all the complicated joints looking at the spine, and Julia here has agreed to be our model so I can demonstrate some manual physical therapy for the neck. Many people were bothered by neck pain, stiffness, or headaches, and with manual therapy, we have the ability to work specifically with one small joint at a time. So I'll demonstrate a technique with Julia's neck here to help with turning or rotating your neck. So perhaps you're bothered by not being able to back up the car well or having a pain or pinch when you turn your head. At physical therapy, one treatment we might do would be some manual physical therapy to work on stretching that. Kind of just like so. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video. Remember, Ohio and Kentucky both have direct access. You can find a listing of all of our tri-state locations in Ohio and Kentucky on oxfordphysicaltherapy.com. And if you need help with this or any other problem, feel free to schedule your appointment today.